Today we are going to discuss our quick start guide unit. This is the first ever unit from the American Academy of Optics. This is a very lengthy and boring unit. You don't have to read the whole unit, just read the points I am telling to you because it will be very lengthy if you will read the whole unit. And the definitions you have to read. You can't skip the definitions. Okay, optic axis has already come in the exam. Focal length, very important. It has come 2 times. Please read only these points I am telling to you from this unit. All other definitions are very important, okay? And this is not important. You can leave it. Not very important. Not important, okay? Convection, just give a read, quick read. Just understand the concepts. Read this summary. Important, okay? Read these concepts, myopia, hyperopia, etc. Also hyperopia. This is not important, okay? Not important. Stigmatism is important, okay? Steeper meridian, flatter meridian. Please read very carefully. Please. Very important, okay? Flattest meridian. What are the principal meridian? Read this. Not important. Stigmatic refractive errors. You have to read with the rule, against the rule, and everything here. Okay. Not important. Again, glossary. You can't skip any definition here. Just give a quick read to the. This is important. Where they have mentioned the visual acuity of the children. Remember that in mm, children, Leah symbols are preferred. Symbols for pinhole occluder does what? It reduces the eye's refractive aperture. A quick quick read will be sufficient. Yeah. Important, okay. Important, okay. This one is not important, not needed. And remember these rules here written. More minus to more plus like this. This take note is important. Okay? Not important. You can leave it. Not important. Please don't read these topics. Not needed. But if you still want to read, you can read at your own. To define the cylindrical axis, hold the claw cylinder with the handle parallel to the corresponding cylindrical axis. You will read this in detail in the cross cylinder. And to define the cylindrical power, hold the handle of a 40-degree away from the axis of the trial cylinder. Please read these two points only. This is not important. Not important. Okay. Accommodation, control, and the binocular balance. This is important. Read about accommodation. Very important. Okay. Important. Important. Okay. This is important. Please read it. Okay. Gap RAM written here. Gap RAM. You can leave it. Not important. Just a quick read will be good enough. Read about cyclopedia. Okay. Read these last lines. Again, the velocity definitions very important. This